Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Moitri Paul and today we are going to talk about something that I have been trying out for a while now, and that is, you guys already know, that is a glycolic acid. If you're active in YouTube, you know that how hyped this product was, and that was one of the reason that it worked for every creators and influencers. Please comment down below if you bought this and it didn't work for me, because it will heal my inner child, literally. Quick disclaimer before we dive in, don't come to me. This is just my personal experience with glycolic acid. Skincare is super individual, and what does not work for me might work wonders for someone else. So always do a patch test and do your research before incorporating new products in your routine, especially skincare. Okay, after contemplating for a few months, I finally bought that, and specifically I've been using it for some stubborn bumps that I have near my elbow, as you can see. But after weeks and months and a year, I guess a little bit more than a year, I'm using this, and I have to say that it did not work for me. So I'm going to share my review and experience about this product, that why it didn't work for me, whether I think it could be useful for others. So if you're curious or struggling with the similar skin issues, keep on watching. But as usual, before starting, I will just give a background that what glycolic acid is. Okay, glycolic acid is basically an alpha hydroxy acid, that is AHA, probably you've heard a lot of times, and that's known for its exfoliating properties. It's supposed to help you with a range of skin issues like uneven texture, dullness, and even like acne bumps and etc. Also, it is worth mentioning that it just removes the dead skin cells, revealing a very smoother and a very brighter skin. But now, as you can see, that I haven't even finished the half of the bottle, and you will be like, bro, you haven't even used half of it. I'll tell you why. I was just using my hands to apply it and not a cotton pad, because it soaks a lot of it, and I thought it's a very expensive product, why use a cotton pad? So I just used my fingers and my hand to apply the product near my elbow. So I'm not even half finished after using an ear, so it is not even half finished. And just two elbows of it, it's not a bigger area, I just need a little tiny amount to just apply it, I don't need a ton of it, and my area of it is also very small. So I started using this glycolic acid about like in 2023 or 2022 at the end, hoping that it would clear up my little bumps on my elbow. I've seen a lot of people rave about this benefits, so I thought it was really helpful, and watched two USA doctors recommending it, so I thought it would be a good try. So I was using this glycolic acid consistently, using it at night, and I used it around 2 to 3 times a week, and I was really patient and I wanted it to give it time to work. The instructions were pretty simple, just apply a small amount and wait for it to absorb, and just follow with a moisturizer. At first I thought I was noticing some subtle improvements, maybe something, but the bumps didn't even budge. I have a little bit of pigmentation there, nothing brightening, glowing, nothing, it did nothing. So I gave it a few more weeks thinking it just needed more time, but unfortunately no luck. I did a little bit more research and realized that glycolic acid might not be best fit for every skin type, especially when it comes to like stubborn texture issues like the bumps I was dealing with. But I really hope that it worked for me, because it was so expensive and I contemplated for months to buy it. After some digging, I think I kind of figured out why it didn't work for me, because it is given in the website where you can see the glycolic acid, how to use a glycolic acid. You need to follow up with more actives and more skincare. The description of the product also, it mentioned that it can significantly reduce a scalp dryness in 2 weeks, and it can give hydration to your scalp skin. But I watched this USA doctors, those who mentioned, if I'm not wrong, that they mentioned not to use it for your hair, even for hydration or even for like dandruff. Also, it is worth mentioning that I used for my strawberry skin in my legs, but it didn't really work out for me, because I already gave up on that product, that it is not working anymore for me. So that belief was already in me, so I wasn't really consistent about that, and it didn't really help in anything. Honestly, I really gave up on that product. If it really works for you, great for you, but I really hope it worked for me. I will just quickly go over the claims that was made by the product, that after 2 weeks it evens skin tone appearance, boosts skin luminosity, smooths texture, and removes scalp dryness. I don't know how much it works, it didn't work for me, but if it works for you, but it might take more than 2 weeks. Also, it says that every skin type can use, and it is fragrance free and vegan. That is a good point. As you know, this is a 7% glycolic acid, and if you're a beginner, please use a lesser amount of percentage. And it is a water based solution, as you can see. It also mentions that it targets dullness, texture, and signs of aging. It also mentioned that how to include this glycolic acid 7% exfoliating toner in your skincare regimen, both for AM and PM. You can see for AM and also for PM that PM it says so many things, but if you can buy all the products from the ordinary, it might work also for you. But and that's all. That's my take on this product. To wrap things up, glycolic acid didn't work for me, but that doesn't mean it is a bad product. It could be great for someone else who's looking to even out skin tone, improve the surface texture, or treat hyperpigmentation. However, if you're dealing with clogged pores or deep bumps like I was, glycolic acid might not be enough on its own. I really wanted to share my experience so that if you're considering trying glycolic acid, you can go in with some realistic expectations. It might not solve every issue, and that's okay. Skincare is personal, and it's all about finding what works best for your skin. And if you have tried glycolic acid for bumps, let me know how it worked for you in the comment section. I would love to hear your experience. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for some more reviews like this. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.